Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Command integrated navigation system with voice activation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, power tilting steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, sport suspension, and power heated mirrors. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern midsize luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,